Hey guys, so it's currently like 3 o'clock in the morning, and it is Saturday, the 12th, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm currently up right now. So I thought I'd just pull out my camera and kind of like start the process of vlogging. So I have a few things that I'm going to be doing this weekend, so I thought I would just like, vlog, bring you guys along, and let you guys just come along with me. So tomorrow, well, I guess because it's 3 o'clock in the morning, technically, in the morning, well, it's already the morning, later in the morning, I will be going, actually no, it'll be afternoon, never mind, forget my timing. But anyway, later today I will be going ziplining and doing like this ropes course with a few of my friends from college. So I need to figure out what to wear. I want to figure out what I'm wearing today because I don't want to procrastinate and wait and end up really late tomorrow because I have a tendency to be late. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. I really have no clue what I want to wear, but it will be like 64 degrees. I just checked, even though 64 degrees is like cold for it to only be like the second week of September. But let me just figure out what I want to wear. It just got a little dark. Sorry, I'm in my closet. I'm not gonna wear jeans, so I'm thinking about wearing these sweatpants I have, or some swishy pants. And I only say swishy because that's just the type of material it is. So I have these sweatpants here that I think I could wear. And then I also have, I don't know, I have 2 pairs of swishy pants. And I also have my Adidas sweatpants. So I'm trying to figure out, so should I wear my Nike sweatpants, Adidas sweatpants, or a pair of swishy sweatpants? Like windbreaker pants. That's what I mean by swishy. So I think I'm just gonna keep these 2 out for the moment. I need something like long enough and comfortable enough so I can wear what I need and be comfortable. And then I'm gonna need like a little backpack to carry my stuff. So I think I'm just gonna bring this one. I love this one. It's like this holographic clear backpack I got from Forever 21. This is literally my favorite. It's so cute, like so cute, so small. I'm just gonna need it to carry a few things. Now I just have to figure out what I want to wear. Actually guys, I'll go figure that out and then I'll come back to you when I have my outfit options. So these are my 2 outfit options. I'm thinking about wearing just these black swishy pants, these swishy with this shirt that I thrifted from Savers, and then this red bag that I got from the Goodwill. Because I am going ziplining, I need something like comfortable, flowy, so I was just like, I'm gonna opt for a oversized graphic tee and some type of like flowy pants or like loose, comfortable, flexible pant. The other option I have is, I'm trying to decide between these 2 shirts. So I have these gray Nike Elite sweatpants that I thrifted, and these pants are amazing quality. They fit perfectly for me. Love them. And then there's this shirt, which is kind of like a motorcycle inspired shirt, and it just has like a little like essence of gray. It's not OD gray, but it has an essence of gray. And then we have this Detroit, Michigan shirt that I got from Boohoo, and this is a long sleeve, so I'm like, it's a little linty, so don't mind the lint. But I'm trying to decide between these 2 shirts or this one. I really can't decide, but for some reason I feel like I really want to wear these Nike Elite sweatpants because they're just so bomb. So I might go. And these are so dope. Like, look at this little drawstring at the bottom. Oh, so dope. I love them. So I think I might wear this one, but I'm not entirely sure. So I'm just I just can't decide which outfit to wear. I still have to obviously add like accessories and the sneakers I'm going to wear. Because we are ziplining again, I'm not about to wear like some fire sneakers, so I'm just gonna wear like some old beaters, some shoes that I don't really care about that much. But I am very indecisive, so you guys, I'm just going to decide what I'm gonna wear and then head to bed, and then I will be back with you guys in the morning and I'll let you know what I decided to wear. So for right now, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, hello. It's the next day, or the morning, because I was up last night at like 4, but I'm just getting ready. I'm just about to get ready. As you can see, I look real dusty, real crusty, real dry, real crispy, but I'm about to just get ready, so stay watching. Fit that I decided to wear. I just have on my, I showed you guys last night a little bit, but I just have on my Vans skate highs. These are my beaters, so I don't really care if I get these dirty. That's why I'm wearing them. And then I have on my Nike sweatpants. I'm not a person, I don't really care about mixing brands. These are Nike Elite sweatpants. These are very comfortable, they fit me perfectly. And then I have on this kind of like graphic tee. Don't mind my dirty mirror, but I have on this graphic tee with nice little motorcycle kind of like nature vibe. I think it's really dope. And then I did my hair into like this little high puff. Then I have the little tendrils coming from the side. You know, like I actually got hang time, you know, period. Like I'm hitting like the annual at this point. But I just put my hair in a puff. I have on my 1996 necklace from Vibe Season. I'm not doing too much jewelry. And then I have my cute little bag that I thrifted, and I think it looks really nice with this fit. So this is just my fit for the day. So I'm about to go eat something and I'm gonna get ready to go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's high. You see the platforms? You see the platforms?
I'm really breaking my leg.
You'll be fine. Hey. What are you talking about? Hello. Don't follow me, don't follow me, don't follow me. See pictures? Oh, Lord. Lord, I thank you. Wait, you didn't put oh, I have to put one to the side? So hey guys, I just wanted to come back and say that I had so much fun yesterday. It was so much fun. Just to give like a little background, I guess, those are like kind of like my first I guess friend group or group of friends when I first came to campus, really. And it was just really great to like see all of them. We don't really hang out together as a group very frequently, but it was like really fun. Like they had me laughing, like crying, like I was screaming. It was just so like enjoyable. But a little bit of a change of plans, unfortunately. I'm about to try to like shower really quickly and then head to a flea market. And then I'll show you guys kind of like what I get from the flea market. But then after the flea market, I'm not doing the Space Noodle Challenge today anymore. Just again, a change of plans. But I will be getting into the process of washing my hair a little bit later. But that will be for a next video. But let me get dressed and I'll be back with my outfit of the day. Guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I just have like a puff thing in the back. Well, I mean, it's my hair, so it's not a puff thing. So I have like a puff in the back. I have a 47 Boston Red Sox baseball cap, and I have on this brown dress from Primark with some Nike socks and my Air Jordan 1 lows in all white. So it's a very simple outfit. Today is supposed to be like one of the warmest days in Boston, so I was just like, today's gonna be 75. I think this dress is appropriate for 75. So personally, I'm just gonna wear this dress. I don't really wear this dress that often, but I thought it'd be cute to like wear this dress. So I'm about to just head to the thrift store and then I'll be right back. Oh, there's a line. So, hey guys, I came back from the store like a little while ago, and when I went to the vintage shop, I didn't really find anything that was really nice or anything really interesting or special. But after that, I did go to Marshall's and I picked up a few things from Marshall's. There was nothing too crazy in Marshall's, but I got this Street Fighter shirt. Hold on. Street Fighter shirt. As you can tell, it just says Street Fighter, and then it says 1981. You can see like the graphics, and they're just fighting this green monster thing. And on the back, it just says Street Fighter, get ready to rumble, and it just talks like a little bit more about street fighting. And then my other shirt is this like, I would say like nude color shirt, and it basically just says Colorado on the front. I've always wanted to go to Colorado, and I just thought this graphic on the front was really cute and small and simple. And this is the graphic on the back, which is just this orange and blue graphic, basically like a bigger image of what was on the front. But I thought this would be really cute. Ooh, I thought this would be really cute with this sand colored set I got from Misguided. So I had this sand colored cord set that I got from Misguided. Let me show you that, which is this. So I have the pants and the crop denim jacket to match, so I thought that shirt would go cool with it. And plus I have a credit at on GOAT because I sold a pair of sneakers, and the sneakers that I sold on GOAT, that credit I was gonna use to buy another pair of shoes. So I'm low-key like, maybe I should buy another pair of shoes. And it happened to be that the other pair of shoes that I was thinking about buying from GOAT, they literally have like both orange and blue in them, and white and black. So I'm like, I think that would be perfect to go with this. And it has like a gum colored bottom. Also, just to, you know, show you guys what I was thinking about for this shirt, I thought the Street Fighter shirt was so cool. And then I thought about these pants that I made, and they are this pants and a corset top I made right here. And these are just pants that I made out of like a sheet that I found from the thrift store, but I bought that, and I just thought that that would be so cute with this shirt. But if you do want to see it in the future, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at _SKAHY. Again, it will be in the description box below if you want to find out, like, if you want to see more about like my fashion and my style and stuff like that. I would consider myself a fashion influencer, actually, because I love fashion and I'm growing in my fashion and my sense of style, so that's so big to me. So you guys, this will be the closing of my YouTube video. It's going to be a very short weekend vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure that you like this video, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to my video. I really appreciate that. I'm definitely trying to grow my YouTuber following, so please subscribe, share my content with anybody that you think would also be interested, and give me any suggestion ideas. If you have anything that you want me to do, or you think that it would be fun to watch me do, please let me know. I'm really open to anything. Do you see this shrinkage? I'm sorry, like I had to like pull it out, like my hair comes down to here, but like look. Make sure you guys just please subscribe, follow me on Instagram, you know, help me out a lot. I'd really appreciate it. And, you know, leave a comment below, let me know what you want to see. And then also, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be coming out with a few more videos in the upcoming weeks. So I will be doing a spicy noodle challenge, as well as I will be showing you guys how I'm gonna try a curl former set on my natural hair with colored wax. So I want you guys to please, if you guys like natural hair content, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.